Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and let's take a quick look at the Air Max 95 by Nike in the blue tint colorway. These were released on Thursday the 21st of August 2025 for the retail price of £175 here in the UK. I picked up my pair from JD Sports, Oxford Street, London, and it comes in a regular red and white Nike box. Opening up the box comes with shoes wrapped in white paper with no extra accessories. But we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. 2025 marks the 30th anniversary of the Air Max 95, and Nike celebrates their human anatomy inspired build, distinctive gradient panels, and bold sole design, being the first Air Max to feature visible air at the forefoot by staying true to the model's roots, as they reintroduced a larger than usual air unit called the Big Bubble. Due to early units having quality issues, the air bubble sizes were reduced to improve durability over the years. Like its name suggests, this Air Max 95 features an OG color blocking, this time with hits of baby blue on its insole, tongue tab, eyelets, lateral heel swoosh, outsole, and internal bubbles. On feet I stay true to size. Remember though, these are a women's shoes, so make sure you get the conversion right, but the good news is that these do go up to larger men's sizes. As usual, purchase links will be in my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like and comment baby to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up? I couldn't hit on any of the OG colorways from the previous releases, so when I managed to pick this up, I had to go 2 pairs. I really love this colorway, it's so clean and it works really well with blue and black denim. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.